Hi boys and girls, happy Tuesday. We're going to start our phonics lesson. Remember, we're going to repeat after me. If the two words rhyme, you're going to give a thumbs up. If they don't rhyme, give a thumbs down. Here we go. Tap, she. You got it. Ran, see. Cry now. Gown, town. Lock, new. Nice job. Next one, we're going to do our initial sounds. I'm going to say two words that start with the same sound. Repeat after me. Night, noise, Lock, left, ooh. Past, pair, p. Town, teach, t. Bend, by, b. Great job with that one. All right, our next one, we need our choppers. We're going to start with two pieces of a word and then say the word all together. You're going to repeat after me. Own, down. App, tap. Ed, bed. Ock, lock. When. Awesome. Next one is our roller coaster. Remember, we're going to start the roller coaster. We're going to go up to the middle sound and then down to the end. Here we go. Remember, watch me first, then you get to make your own roller coaster. Sat, at. Middle sound, ah. Good. Men, Middle sound, eh. Fish, ish. Middle sound, eh. Good job. Top, t, ah. Middle sound, ah. Good job. And the last one is run. Middle sound, very good. Okay, we need our choppers again. This time we're going to say the whole word, then we're going to chop it into two pieces. 10, t-n. Sing, s-ing. Van, v-an. Yell, y-l. Kind, k-ind. Awesome job. Two left. The next one is adding. We're going to add sounds. So you're going to have one sound to start in your hands, then you're going to add a beginning sound. All right, repeat after me. Am, add j. Jam, et, add g. Get, ip, add s. Sip, ock, add t. Talk, un, add run. Very good. And the last one, we're going to delete a sound. So you're going to hold a little word in your hands and we're going to take away a piece of that word. All right, your word is fan. Without what's left is An. Bed. Without b, what's left is ed. Kid. Without k, what's left is id. Log. Without ul, what's left is og. Duck. Without d, what's left is uck. Very good. All right, hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.